So this is RC phase shift oscillator, experiment number 19. It is a linear electronic device that produces a sine wave output. It consists of a transistor with its output fed back into the input through a phase shift network consisting of capacitors and resistors in the ladder network. We will be seeing the output on the CRO. So basically, what is an oscillator? It is an electronic circuit used for generating oscillation with a DC biasing supply. The frequency of the generated signal is decided by the circuit elements. An oscillator requires an amplifier, a frequency selective network and a positive network. It should satisfy the Barkhauson's criteria. Okay. Now RC phase shift will have 3 RC sections. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So total 3 RC sections. Each section will give you 60 degree phase shift. The values of R and C are choosing such that the phase shift of each RC section is 60 degree. Thus RC ladder network produces a total phase shift of 180 degree between its input and output voltage for the given frequency. And also the CE amplifier produces 180 degree phase shift. So the total phase shift from the base of the transistor and around the circuit back to its base will be exactly 360 degree or 0 degree. So this satisfies the Barkhauson's criteria for sustaining oscillations, and total loop gain of the circuit is greater than equal to 1. So this condition is used to generate the sinusoidal oscillations. So this way you will be getting the output. So this is the output waveform, sine wave. This is the amplitude. These are the resources required: CRO, power supply, transistor, resistors, capacitors, breadboard. So let us see how the kit works. This is the circuit diagram or the circuit kit of RC phase shift oscillator. Why RC phase shift? Because you have R and C networks. See, you have C and R, C, R, C, R network. So you have 3 RC networks. Each network will give you 60 degree phase shift. So 60, 60, 60. It will be 180 degree. And here this is a transistor. This is in CE mode. So this will give you another 180 degree. So total 360 degree phase shift. So this is power supply. It is 12 volts internally connected. This is the output. We are going to see to CRO. So this is the CRO. I am keeping it stable. You can see the output. So this is the way you are getting the output. So 1 into 2. So 2 volts peak to peak. Okay.